Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting review video, where we take a closer look at the latest and greatest tech gadgets on the market. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our in-depth reviews and tech updates. Today, we're diving into the world of smartphones with the highly anticipated release of the 2023 original Apple iPhone 15 Pro. This powerhouse of a device is packed with cutting-edge features and top-of-the-line specifications that are sure to elevate your smartphone experience to a whole new level. Let's start with the stunning 6.1 120Hz Super Retina XDR OLED screen, which delivers vibrant, true-to-life visuals and smooth scrolling. Paired with the powerful A17 Pro Bionic chip, this device ensures seamless performance and lightning-fast speeds for all your multitasking needs. But that's not all. The iPhone 15 Pro comes in 3 storage options, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, all equipped with 8GB of RAM. Whether you're a photo enthusiast, a gaming aficionado, or a professional on the go, this device has all the storage and memory you need to keep up with your busy lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the camera capabilities. The iPhone 15 Pro boasts a triple camera system with a 48MP main lens and two 12MP lenses, capturing every moment with stunning detail and clarity. And for the selfie lovers out there, the 12MP front camera ensures you always look your best in any lighting conditions. With sleek color options such as black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium, the iPhone 15 Pro allows you to express your style while enjoying the durability of an IP68 dust/water resistant design. And to top it all off, the 3274 mAh battery with PD 2.0 and 15W wireless charging keeps you powered up all day long, while the iOS 17 operating system provides a secure and user-friendly environment for all your smartphone needs. Additionally, the device supports dual SIM cards for added convenience. So, if you're ready to take your smartphone experience to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the 2023 original Apple iPhone 15 Pro. With its unparalleled performance, stunning display, top-notch camera capabilities, and sleek design, this device is truly a game-changer in the world of smartphones. You can find the link to purchase the iPhone 15 Pro in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your tech arsenal with this incredible device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, stay tuned for the latest in tech innovation.